Hello and welcome friends. My name is Ankit and I am from Aanav Creations. I will get you know the digital marketing. Next topic is on the websites in the season 2 of digital marketing. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you know, our topic is websites and your business goals in the digital marketing world. So, let's start. It's time to take a look at meeting your customers in the middle. That is, how your customers can unite your visitors want with your business needs. We will walk you through how to think like a customer and design your website accordingly, all without losing sight from your own goals. So you are starting to design your site. As you do this, keep your goals in mind, but also consider what your visitors are looking for. There might be some different scenarios. Marrying what you want to people to do on your website and what they want to do is the secret to their success. Here's an example for you. Think of the last time you went to a website looking for a phone number. Maybe you wanted to ring a shop to ask questions or get directions. Was the number easy to find you? If you are a business, be sure to put your phone number in a very visible location on your website and a very convenient place. Maybe even highlight it on every page of your site. You might even consider adding some text encouraging visitors to call now and make your contact page easier to find in case that's their first stop. Also, it's a good idea to allow mobile users viewing your site to call you with just one click. So back to our local bakery shop. Let's say you want more locals to visit the shop. Meanwhile, your customers want to know how to find you when they are craving from fresh fruit bread for their own purpose. Including maps on your website along with specific directions can make you both happy. So what other things visitors might be looking for on your website? Prices, special offers, certifications to show you are qualified to provide a service. By making sure you all of these are easily available, you match your business goals with your visitors' needs so that you can fulfill them. And if you are interested in learning how to measure what your visitors are doing on your website with analytics, check out our lessons on that topic too. Now let's talk about content or the actual world on your pages. The words you use should be so much more than just a sales pitch. In most cases, you want to avoid technical jargon and just beating about how great you are in the digital world. Instead, explain how you can meet the needs of your customers or solve a problem they have. By framing it in terms of what you can do to help visitors, your content will be much more engaging, not to mention more helpful. To achieve this, write in a tone that's confident but not intimidating unless your audience is made up of astrophysicists. Explain concepts in everyday local language. Tell a story to help connect with your visitors to your customers. Things like testimonials or videos sharing satisfied customers whose problem you have solved, or letting people write reviews about your products and services directly on your site can really help. Remember, every second counts. People won't be on your website for long and they may scan words quickly or not at all. But images, headlines and clear navigation can help them find exactly what they are looking for before they move on to your website. Design and build your website with your business goals and your visitors' desires in mind, and it will have a much better chance to success. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and send comments for your queries. Thank you very much. Have a good day.